Hello everyone, welcome to next episode. Uh, Today we are going to read about inheritance in Python. In last lecture we have done a general loops concept. Actually, inheritance is a way of reusing the code which you have already written in another classes. Just for example, say we have a person class and we want to implement some of its feature in our new class student, so we don't have to write all those features, all those methods and behaviors again. So every person has name, age, and their appearance. So in order to avoid the duplicacy, we need some way. So inheritance does it for us. So what we do, we define a base class. Like in person we define the name and age and many other features as well. And then in a student class we inherit from the person class, and after then we can add some more features like roll number, in which class a student is, how many number of subjects they have. So these are the example of the inheritance. So how many types of inheritance are there? So there are mainly three types of inheritance in Python: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and multi-level inheritance. So let us say we have a class A and we have a class B and we have a third class C. So we can inherit from class A to class B, and then in class C we can inherit from class B. So it is a multi-level inheritance. We are inheriting from A. In class C we are inheriting from class B, and in class B we are inheriting the features from class A. But in multiple inheritance, let us say we have two classes, class A and class B, and we are inheriting both the classes independently in class C. Like class C inherit from A and B. So we will get the feature of A if both the methods have defined in A and B as well in both the classes. So we'll get the feature from A. Why? Because of the MRO. What is MRO? Method resolution order. When it sees there are two functions with same name, same definition, it goes and checks the function in the order in which you are calling. So, uh, so to avoid any confusion by the compiler. That's it. Let's get started with the code. So we have created person class. Now we are going to create a student class and we will inherit it from person class. So uh, we will create a constructor method, and in that we are inheriting from the parent class the parent constructor by using super key, and we can also use the class name as well, person dot underscore underscore in it. And so the name and age is inherited from the person class, and we are adding self dot grade in the student class. Now let's create the greet method, and in greet method we are calling the greet method from the super class, that means from person class, and we will now create an object of a student class, and we are passing the name Jen Rampal and with age and grade. So let us see what the outcome will be. So what do you think, what should be the output? So it will output, first of all let's comment the person object, and now we will get the output from the student class. So when we'll call s1.greet, it will output I am in grade 9 and hello, my name is Jen Rampal. This is from the person class and the grade is from the uh, student class. So that is the example of inheritance, and we will again print the object itself and see what happens. So when we are calling the s1 object, look, we are getting person name is equal to Jen Rampal and age is equal to 26, which is from our person class, because we haven't overridden the REPR method or a string method in the student class. Now we are going to do that, and then the output will be different. So look, now the output is coming from the student class itself. So this is the example of inheritance, and it's super easy. You can all implement that. So let me put from the student class. So look how easy it is. Means the line of codes we are saving in this example, and after that we will see the multiple inheritance. So we commented out the previous code. Now we are creating a class A, and we are defining a function hello. And hello, we are just simply printing hello from A. Then we'll take class B and we will inherit from class A. Again we are defining hello here and hello from B, and we will again create another class C, which will inherit from B. So this is an example of multi-level inheritance. So when we run the code, we'll see the output hello from C, right? Okay, so now we will comment the code in the C class, and we are just using pass statement, and we'll see what will be the output. Now when we run the code, we'll get hello from B because it's inheriting from B. And if we comment B and also pass the statement, we'll get hello from A. So it's searching in the present class. If it's not found, it's searching in the parent class. If it's not found in parent class, it will search in the grandparent, means the uppermost class, and then it will give the result. Now what we'll do, we will call the method from A. So a dot hello, when we do that, it will give you the result from class A. Here it is, hello from A and hello from C. So now this is an example of multiple inheritance. So we are calling from A and B both, and now if we run the code, we'll get output hello from A. So we have to comment it, or we can either change the name. So I'm giving it hello 2, and if now we run the code, we'll get hello from A. Why so? Because of the MRO, means method resolution order. It will search for it will search in the methods in same order which we have defined, like A, so it will search in A first. But if we change the order B comma A, then it will print hello from B, because it will search in B first and then into A. So this is multiple inheritance. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.